Good morning, lovely people. It is Saturday and I'm off to a day sale. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My mommy's here too. Say hi. Hi. So, this is my birthday weekend, and I'm going on a day sale. Yippee! I'm excited because it's my first one. Kind of hyper because I'm kind of like drinking my coffee. I got this cup at Sephora with my points. I got it when I went to Sephora for the VIB sale, and then I just put my iced coffee in it. So yummy. I did my mock-up. And do you like my hair? I did it myself. Yes. Okay. So as soon as we get on the boat, then I will check in with you guys later. Bye. What's up, you guys? So we are on our way to Canal Bay. We are currently on the boat, as you can see. We've stopped for a second, but I don't know if you can see. That's Epstein Island. Wow. I knew it was around here somewhere, but I didn't know exactly where. But yeah, so we're out here, and it's just a beautiful day, guys. Such a beautiful day. We're out here in the front of the boat. Guys, we are literally like right by Epstein Island. Can you believe that? I knew it was around here somewhere, but I never knew exactly where. So like, I watched a documentary, and to see it like up close, wow, wow. This water is cold. I'm putting my feet in. You're doing great, sweetie. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. What's up, you guys? I am just checking in. We just had some lunch. And now we're just sailing. You know, we have a few more hours of being on the boat. We just passed. Actually, we are here sailing around St. John at the moment. But yeah, we're just chilling. It's a very like laid back type of vibe, and we're just enjoying each other's company. So yeah, so we're just chilling. I'm gonna digest my food and enjoy the scenery. St. John has a lot of, I would say, rich people on it. So, yeah, I'm just looking at the houses. I'm like, okay, one day. Oh, look, a lone sailor. So it looks like we've got some extras right here. He just did a backflip and I missed it. I missed his backflip. We got some extras, so this is turning out to be a party. Woo-hoo. Yes!
Roma, Roma, see I paid myself for you. You're the one waiting on a human platform, baby, my club. And just me, you alone. Are you looking so good right now? That's what it's all about. Hey, they said it don't fit me. I say I'm a reggae artist, but tell them what's steady. They can't put me in a basket. I love the woman and it's still feeling. The ladies from out of the fee, I out of the party. You can show love. One thing I love, girl, love, I want to be body. If you want to see you moving to this, pass the shout out. The rhythm so sweet, it up me away.
I'll watch you. Good job.
Mommy will fixing the flesh. Who the fuck she gon' check? She be taking that shit fucking out of her neck.
What's up, you guys? So I am at home now. It was such a long day and I am burnt. I'm dark. Alright, mama? I'm dark. So I had so much fun. That was my first day sale. I'll definitely do it again depending on whose charter. I'm gonna link the name of the charter that we use down in the description box. So if you are interested in possibly coming to visit and you want to do a day sale, they're a great day sale charter to use. If you live here and you love day sales, they're a great company to charter. So without further ado, you guys, I'm going to take off this makeup, take a shower, and relax for the rest of the night. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.